I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. Next, Lorena Dew shares flavors of the Philippines with her favorite meal of all time.
My name's Lorena Dew. I'm Filipino. I love painting, and I love to cook. Every Sunday, we have a meal together with our friends because I grew up with that tradition. And now that I have my own family, I want my daughter, Ella, to have that same memory growing up.
I can clearly tell from your house, you're a great artist. As soon as I walked into your house, I see these amazing paintings, so you must be an amazing chef.
We'll see.
What's the recipe that we're making today?
Today, we're making my favorite, pancit. We're gonna be using sotanghon, glass noodles, and egg noodles. So we're using 2 noodles together.
2 noodles in the same dish.
Different thickness.
And you grew up eating this dish?
I grew up eating it, and I can eat it every day.
I see a ton of fresh veggies here, so walk me through what's going into this dish.
We're using all these fresh veggies, along with the noodles, and of course, turkey. These are very delicate noodles, and when you overcook it, it just becomes slime. So they need to be soaked in hot water for 20 minutes.
So it's not boiling hot per se, but it's warm enough to soften these noodles.
Softening the noodles. You have to julienne the carrots.
Okay, that's my job.
And we're also using Napa cabbage.
You out-chopped me, hold on. Wait. Oh, I've lost the chomping competition. We've got julienne veggies. Here, I'm gonna put this on yours.
Yep. Let's put them all in here.
You got good knife skills.
I had my whole life to practice.
We're gonna use turkey breast.
Slice it into long strips. Perfect, like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
We've got the turkey sliced. We've got the veggies prepped. They look amazing.
Let's have them get cooking.
Okay, so Lorena, we've done all our prep. We've got the second noodle, the egg noodle.
The egg noodles. So the wok is now hot.
Okay.
First, we're gonna have the onions.
Garlic as well?
And a tiny bit of garlic, yep.
Oh, there we go.
Now we're gonna add the turkey.
Into the wok.
In they go.
When you were a kid growing up, was this a special occasion dish? Was this a weekday dish?
Pancit tend to appear on special occasions. Birthdays, Christmas.
So I can come to your house your next birthday and cook it for you. You just relax, and I'll take it from there.
That would be perfect.
Okay, so we're gonna start with those firmer veggies.
We are starting with carrots.
And then the celery.
And the celery,
Okay.
please. We're stir-frying them first because they're the hardest, and they take the longest to cook.
A few mushrooms?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Soften
now
nicely.
we're ready to add peppers.
Into the wok.
Into the wok.
Beautiful. Little snow pea in here.
Yep. Now we can add the cabbage.
The noodles are the next stars of the show.
We're gonna start with our egg noodles. And once the noodle is ready, we can add a little bit of broth. The broth and the noodles will create that thickness.
So when it comes up to a simmer like this, then we're ready for
We can add the sotanghon.
Here, you go for it. I love the 2 noodles. Noodle
They
and
should
stock.
look translucent. That's how you know they're cooked. We can also add a little bit of soy.
Then do we bring everything back in?
Everything back together, and we mix it.
Should we take this to the table?
Let's
Almost
take
time to
it.
eat. Wow, look at that. I helped cook that, guys. Looks good, no?
Today we have Chloe. This is Ella, my daughter.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is my husband, Miles, Connor, and Trish.
Hi.
Should we dig in?
Yes,
Okay, let's
start.
do it. I love the stock and the soy have given it like a beautiful flavor, beautiful sauce. And the 2 noodles are fun. I love that texture. This is your mom's favorite dish. This was the dish she had every year on her birthday.
This is a go-to dish for Filipino family.
Lorena, I want to thank you again. I had a blast. I learned a ton. And I'm actually adding this 2 noodle dish to my repertoire. It was incredible.
Excellent. I'm glad that you liked it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you.